another sushi recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to make some sushi, specifically how to make a little tiny canapé that's wrapped in cucumber, and it's super beautiful and super delicious. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. Let's get straight into cooking it. Let's go. We're going to start off by doing some prep, and for that you're going to need a cucumber about 17 centimeters long, which I've already cut a slice off, and then you're going to cut a thin strip off with a vegetable peeler to have a beautiful thin strip of cucumber like that. Then you just want to cut off the end and then cut off one side just like this, and there we go. We've got a beautiful little cucumber strip. Now reserve this for later and continue with the rest of the ingredients. So we're going to take some sashimi grade salmon and just cut some thin slices about half a centimeter, that's 1/5 of an inch thick. They should weigh about 10 grams a piece, and just cut that in half so they're about 5 grams a piece. And just reserve that also for later. Now take a piece of avocado and slice a wedge off, just like that. Once you've done that, peel off the skin and then lay it on the cutting board, and at a 45-degree angle, cut as many thin strips out of it as you can, just like that. Okay, now you're going to want to take about 4 of these. Now I've got 4 and a little end piece, so I'm just going to remove that little end piece. And then once you've got your little slices, you just fan them out just like this. Now also reserve this for later. Okay, now I'm going to take a radish and just slice some thin slices out of it, just like this. Super thin, about 1 millimeter each. And then just cut these into small little strips, just like that. Take your time with this. And once you've done that, you just want to cut them in half and then fold it over so that they're all facing the same direction. And you want to keep it as a small little bundle of little matchsticks, just like this. Keep that on the side for later. Now wet your hands in some water and vinegar, and just take some sushi rice, about 15 grams, and roll it into a bowl. Now if you don't know how to make sushi rice, I've added my recipe in the description below, so check it out. And you just want to take your little bowl and then wrap it with the cucumber strip you cut before. And then you want to take a little bit of wasabi on your finger and then press it in just to form it and shape it a little bit better. Okay, once that's shaped, you want to place your avocado fan and lay it against one of the walls just like this. Then add a little strip of salmon and another little slice of salmon. And then you want to take a small leaf of coriander and press it in like this. And then you take your little matchsticks of radish and place them just gently right there. And perfect. Now to season this, you're going to take a little lime and just slice it. And then you want to squeeze out a little bit of juice into a glass bowl like this. And then add an equal amount of soy sauce and then mix it with a brush and then brush it lightly onto your salmon just like this. And there we go. We've got this beautiful but tasty, delicious little canapé. Okay, so now you know how to make these beautiful little sushi canapés, and I recommend if you're gonna make these, then also make these other two. They're on my website and they're the same sort of form factor. So if you're gonna make a sushi platter, then this will make it look much more diverse and much more interesting and appealing to the eyes. Plus they use very similar ingredients. I think you just need some tuna and salmon roe and you're good to go. But yeah, give these a try as well, and I hope you enjoyed this video.